everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I thought for today's video I've done a Zara order which I have here ready to share with you. It has got some amazing pieces in there, some really good like transitional like end of summer pieces that can be worn into like the cooler weather as we come into September. So I'm really excited to try all those on. I thought we could do like an unboxing and we can try them all on together. I've just been getting ready to film this video and I realised I have a couple of new lip combos that I've not yet shared with you yet, and these lip combos are like my go-tos at the minute. My makeup keeps changing all the time recently, and over summer I've really changed from like that matte lip to a much more like glossy kind of a lip liner and lip gloss combo over the matte lipstick that I've been always going for. So I thought before I get into the video, before we got into the Zara haul, I wanted to share with you my two favourite lip combos from the summer. These are all Art Deco lip products, and you know I absolutely love Art Deco products. So the affordability of these products are so good, but also the quality of them are brilliant. I love these, they stay on all day. So I thought while I'm getting ready for the video I will put them on and run through with you. Then we can get into the Zara haul. I will definitely do much more of a like catch-up video really soon, because I know I've hardly done any chatty videos lately, but it's just like summer holidays and everything's been so full on, so I'll definitely try and do like a vlog and a catch up really soon as well. But yeah, I'm gonna move into the light so you can see a little bit better, and let's pop these on. Okay, so I have three lip combos to share with you. So this is the first one. This is the soft lip liner in colour 140, and this lip liner is so good. It's like the perfect everyday lip liner. So I will link all these below also, and then I just smudge it in to get a little bit more of like a, almost like you've been kissed and your lipstick's kind of like smudged off your lips. So we smudge it all in, and then this, oh my god, the Hydra Lip Booster from Art Deco. It's the most amazing everyday gloss, and I layer it over the top of the lip liner. And it just gives this gorgeous like everyday glossy, like it's such a like minimal kind of makeup look, but it just gives that extra glam. I didn't ever think I would go back to lip glosses. This lip gloss, oh my god, I love it. But how nice is this? For just every day, it stays on really nice as well. So this is one combo that I've been using, and then another one that I've been absolutely loving is this one. Let me wipe off this and show you this. I kind of like switch between both of these. They're both everyday lip combos, but this lip liner is almost a little bit more peachy. So again, slightly overline my lips. I kind of like overline in this section and then just normal into the corners, if that makes sense. Kind of rub it all in again. See how nice that lip liner is? And then I've been using this. It's the same lip gloss, so it's the Hydra Lip Booster, but this colour is 36. And it's a little bit more creamy and a little bit more nude. These lip glosses are so moisturising, and that is the combo together. So this one is a little bit more like daytimey, whereas the first one has a little bit more of like almost like a shimmer and almost like a little bit more glam. But I love this combo just for every day. It's a little bit more nude and a little bit less glam, little bit less glittery, but it still gives you this gorgeous glow. So whenever I'm doing like a slick back bun, which has been a lot lately this summer, I've been wearing this kind of look so much. So I definitely recommend these combos. You can definitely like mix and match them as well. This one is almost a little bit more pinky, and this is a little bit more peach, and then the first one is a little bit more like shimmery, and this one is a little slightly bit more like a creamy nude. So wearable, so easy just to pop in your handbag, and these are so affordable. So I'll link all 4 products in the description box. I also have a discount discount code that you can use for Art Deco, so if you still haven't tried Art Deco, definitely go and give them a try. You will be so impressed with the quality of these products, even though they are so affordable. So now the lipsticks are done, let's get into the good stuff. I'm going to show you what I got from Zara, and let's do a little try on haul. Okay, so I have my Zara delivery here. Let's go through it together. I wanted to share with you the bits that I bought. Now, I actually bought these to go to Milan. We were supposed to be going to Milan this week, and let's just say sometimes when you're co-parenting, things don't quite go the way you expect them to go. So I've actually had to stay home with the kids, which was fine. It wasn't a big deal. We actually got really good flights. So these were things that I bought for, basically for Milan, but I'm going to get my wear out of them and make the most of the rest of August and September and this nice sunny weather before well and truly throwing myself into autumn outfits, which you know are my favourite. So let me show you what I got. I've tried all these on and styled them up for you as well, so just so I could tell you what the fit and things are like on every piece. And for reference, I am a UK size 8 and I am 5'4". So this was the first thing I got. I got this amazing blouse which has all this gorgeous like embroidery detail all over it. I thought this is just gonna look so gorgeous, like a little bit boho, and I thought how cute is this gonna look like just with some denim shorts or tucked into little skirts. I just think it's one of those things that actually could become one of those summer staples that I end up wearing year in, year out. I loved all the embroidery on it. I loved the big like hippie floaty fit on it. I got a size medium and I really like the way it fit. It was really nice and oversized, so it just gives you that really like ballooned effect if you're going to wear it with some little shorts or little skirts. And it was $32.99. This is so like floaty and airy and just perfect for on holiday. Just going to be really super cool and comfy. Absolutely love this one. And then I got these little shorts because I wanted like a little skirt. These are super short shorts, like really short. When they are a skirt, this literally, I mean, these are like really like hot pants shorts, and this skirt section that comes over the front is so short. I personally loved it. I thought they looked really cute, lovely with the big oversized top, really balanced it out, and I love the light wash on these. The fit on them was really nice. So yeah, just a big thumbs up for these basically. I did get a size 10 in these, so I would suggest to size up because they are a super snug fit. I personally didn't want them skin tight, so I sized up to a 10. I really like the way they fit. They felt really comfortable. I just would have preferred them to be a little bit more high-waisted, but not so much that I wouldn't wear them. So yeah, really love these. They were $24.99. The denim on them is lovely. I always love like the skirts that they do on Zara. They're just such an easy wear for summer. And then I picked up this gorgeous dress. It's a bit like, it's kind of like a beach dress because it's like crocheted and it's not lined. So I wore it just with some like bikini bottoms to show it you on. If you're going to wear it in the day and not just to the beach, you would need to just put like a slip dress or a cami dress underneath it. But again, I really like this. It's got a really like boho casual feel to it again. Super easy to just throw on with some sandals. I think as well it would look really gorgeous like belted up and then worn with some really amazing like lace up heels or something, just for a really gorgeous evening outfit. So yeah, again, really like this. I got a size medium. I really like the way it fit. It fit really nice and loose and oversized and baggy. And it's $45.99. One of my favourite outfits to wear in the summer on holiday is like a really nice loose casual shirt like this, like a linen one or a silky shirt, and then a gorgeous like ruffle skirt or skirt. And I saw this one on Zara and I absolutely love it. I thought it would also look really gorgeous like an all black outfit for every day, just with like more casual sandals or something like that. And it's so cute. It's this gorgeous like ruffly detail detailed frilly skirts. It was $29.99 and I got a size medium. I really like this. It looks so gorgeous on. I also teamed it with this embroidered top, so if you want to see that, that's on my Instagram. Really nice for date nights, but definitely one that you could dress down as well with just like a little t-shirt or a little vest top and sandals. So absolutely love this. I got a size medium. It doesn't have any stretch to it and it has a zip fastening, and I found it a slightly small size, so I would recommend to go up a size. Sorry, the lighting is so bad, so I've just moved my camera to show you the last piece that I got. I was so excited for this dress. I had such high hopes for it, and then when it's come, I'm really disappointed. I loved it on the website. It's all this embroidered. It's kind of like a smock dress with gorgeous sleeves, and I thought it was going to look really cute. I thought it was going to be a little bit shorter than it is, but it was kind of long. It's kind of like heavy and bulky, and I didn't really like the V-neck cut on it. It was a little bit too revealing for me. I kind of would have preferred it to be a round neck, and yeah, I was so disappointed with it. I styled it up and put it with some wedges because this is kind of how I was thinking I was going to wear it, but yeah, like I said, I thought it was going to be shorter. I didn't think it was going to be so big. Like, I sized up and got a medium because I thought I want it to be like a smock oversized fit, but it just looked so weird. I tried to belt it to try and make it like a little bit more, like a little less shapeless, and it didn't work. So I'm so disappointed because I love the idea of it. I love all the embroidered. I thought it would be one that would be perfect to wear as well into autumn with gorgeous little boots and things, but no, I'm afraid it's gonna have to go back. It's just not for me. It was $59.99 as well, so I had to really love it to keep it at that price, and I got a size medium and it just didn't work. I'm so gutted. So yeah, that is everything that I got from Zara. I hope you enjoyed this quick little Zara haul. It feels like maybe the last ones that I might do before we get into autumn styling, which I feel like autumn is just my season. I love it. It's my favourite time of year. It is my favourite outfits to put together. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any of my autumn outfit videos, which will be starting very soon. But for now, all of these pieces are linked in the description box. My Art Deco lip combos are also in the description box with a discount code, and I will see you very soon. Love you all, girls. Bye.